now I'm going to show you my shading technique that I typically use to bring a lighter color, which is this maple handrail. And we stained it, and we're actually, our objective is to match the hardwood flooring, and that's going to just span over there, and right where the left gable is on that cabinet, we're going to be matching the in-between medium of the light and dark there of that board, and so that these handrails kind of blend into their hardwood floorings as well. So in any case, we've already done upstairs for shading, and the customer wanted to see as much wood grain as possible. So I'm just going to try to meet that medium, and the shading way is a good way to get everything to look consistent. Now, the lady did request 90-degree clear, which is extremely shiny and like piano finish. You'll see the reflection after I'm done. And so I'm using a 1.0 tip with a 1.5 air cap, and it's a System Lemmer T90 HVLP turbine spray system. It's I can almost get a piano finish off of this, so it's as long as I'm dust free, we're good to go. I am spraying TZ70 polyurethane, and it's extremely hard. Now with this here, I have this, this is part of their screwing into the studs inside the wall, and they put quite the large cap on there, so I'm going to need to, it's dead stain dark, so we masked it off. When I do my few passes of shading, I'll take this off and it should blend right in. So here we go.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, 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 I just wanna have fun. I just wanna have fun.
So what I'm doing right now, sorry for the safety thing, but whatever I'm doing right now is making the light areas blend in with the already existing dark areas. And so I'm doing just the right amount of shading necessary to bring it into a one consistent color or hue. And then I'll shade it to the exact color that I want to achieve that blends it in with the rest of the house.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, 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 I just wanna have fun. just wanna have fun. I just wanna have fun. Clap my hands. Turn around now. And dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun. Clap my hands. Turn around now. And dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun. I just wanna have fun. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, 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 I just wanna have fun. I just wanna have fun. Clap my hands. Turn around now. And dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun. Clap my hands. Turn around now. And dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun. I just wanna have fun.
So if you look at the green, like when this 90-degree hits it, it's really going to pop. It's going to go a little bit lighter, it's going to be transparent, it's going to show all that figure in there, and it should mark actually almost exactly to that harbor floor where we want to be. So we got this down there, lower staircase to do yet, and basically it's the same issues that bring it up to this stage, and then we'll make it look great. Like and follow us on TikTok, like and subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter.